Question number 6. 4 families visit an amusement park. At this amusement park there are 3 rides: a roller coaster, a Ferris wheel and go-karts. Each ride has a different ticket price for adults and for children. The number of tickets that each family will pay is shown in table 1. Okie dokie, thank you very much. The data in table 1 can be converted into a 4x6 matrix V. So V is a 4x6 matrix. Table 2, the ticket prices are shown. The data in table 2 can be converted into matrix W. So W is a row 2x3. The data in table 2 can be converted into a matrix where that one is there. Let's try that one again. Awesome. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6x2. 1 adult to ride the roller coaster is RC, is the price for 1 child to ride the roller coaster. The matrix product V times W. So if I now look at V times W, I'm going to end up with a 4x6 multiplied by 6x2. Now the reason I'm working this out, A, is it possible? Yes. B, what will my matrix be? So it'll be 4x2. So my resulting matrix will be a 4x2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 rows by 2 columns. Okie dokie. So it's going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 values. And again, when we look at matrix V, it's going to be the family. All right. So when we look at multiplying this, just looking at that first row, for example, it's for family 1, and then it's roller coaster, Ferris wheel. So there's a roller coaster, Ferris wheel, and go-karts. All right, here we go. So the elements in matrix L show the total cost of. So we are going to be doing, for that very first row, which will give me this number here, we are going to be doing family 1 for adults. So that is going to give me, that one there is going to be family 1, because that's the row we're doing, and we're multiplying it by the adult cost. So we're going to have the adult of family 1. So the adults of family 1. The next time we do it, when we multiply the next one, we're going to do that times the children. So that next one would be family 1 children. This then would be family 2 adults, family 2 children, family 3 adults, family 3 children, and so on. Okay, so what is it going to get? The matrix, the elements in matrix L show the total cost. So the elements, I don't want to know each value. All tickets for each family, no. All adult tickets and all child tickets at the amusement park. The elements will give me all adult tickets and all child tickets, no. All adult tickets and all child tickets for each family, that's looking likely. All tickets for each of the 3 rides, nope. All adult tickets and all child tickets for each of the 3 rides, no. So I'm going to go C as my correct answer.